In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start class 9th, lecture number 14, exercise 4.3 and 4.4, algebraic expression. First of all, we will solve exercise 4.3, question number 1, part number 2. Express in simplest form. First of all, this is a 3, makes the factors of 162, 2 and 3 written here 4 times. Under root values equals to 1 by 2. Now you have to make 3 and you can write here 2 is alone, so 3 raised to power 4. Okay, now you have to write here 3 and you can write here 3 raised to power 4 and put the value of under root 1 by 2. 2 is just alone, so you have not put the value of under root 2 under root as it is. Now 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4. Now it will be equals to 3 multiply by 3 का square 9 under root 2. So its answer equals to 3 9 the 27, 27 under root 2. That is the answer. Now fourth part of same question. First of all, you have to make the factors of 96. Now 2 written here 1 2 3 4 5 times. So the index of under root is 5. Now 2 written here 5 times, so 2 multiply by 2 and 3 is just alone, 3 raised to power 1. Now x raised to power 6, its index is 5, so you have to make factors in 5 form. Now x raised to power 5, 1x will be separated. Y raised to power 5 and y raised to power 2 will be separated. There is no space, so I will write here. Now z raised to power 5 and z raised to power 3 will be separated. Now 2 raised to power 5 you can write here. 3 is just alone, so write here. Now x raised to power 5, x as it is, y raised to power 5, y square, z raised to power 5 and z raised to power 3. Now you have to write under root and the index of under root is 5. Now the terms which is having power 5, you have to put the value of under root 5. So 2 raised to power 5, 1 by 5, 3 is just alone, so it will be separate. X raised to power 5, put the value of under root 1 by 5, y 5, put the value of under root. Now z5, put the value of 1 by 5 under root. Now you have to separate it here 3x. Now x and y square separated and z cube separated. Now under root 5. Now it will be cancelled, so 2x y z. Now 3x y square and z cube under root 5. That is the answer. Now question number 2, simplify. First of all, you have to make the factors of 21. 3 multiply by 7 under root. Now under root 7. Now under root 3. Now you have to combine and write in 1 under root. So it will be written like this: 3 raised to 3 multiply by 3, 7 multiply by 7. So write in 3 square and 7 square whole under root. Now put the value of under root. 3 square 1 by 2 and 7 square 1 by 2. 2 cancel with 2. So 3 multiply by 7 equals to 21 will be the answer. Now let's see question number 3. First part makes the factors of 45. I think the factors of 45 will be 3 3 the 9 and 9 5 the 45. Now 3 under root makes the factors of 20. I think 2 2 the 4 and 4 5 the 20. Now plus 4 under root 5 written as it is. Now 3 square multiply by 5 under root. Now minus 3, 2 square and multiply by 5 and plus 4 under root 5. The values which is having square will come outside from under root. It will become 3 under root 5. Now 3 multiply by 2 under root 5. Now plus 4 under root 5 as it is. Now 3 under root 5 as it is. minus 6 under root 5 plus 4 under root 5. Now check that which one is the similar term. Under root 5, under root 5, under root 5. So by combining the similar terms, taking under root 5 as a common, now it will be under root 5 minus 3 plus 4. Now 4 minus 3 1, so its answer equals to under root 5. That is the answer. Now in this question you have to apply the third formula. A square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. One time plus, second time you will write in minus. So you can write here, that is the solution. You can write here 3 whole square and minus under root 3 whole square. Now 3 3 the 9 and square cancel with under root 3, so its answer equals to 6. Now its remaining parts will be homework. Before starting exercise 4.3, first of all we will discuss surd term. Surd term means, you can say that an irrational radical with rational radicand. Radicand mean base and radical means under root. For example, you can say that a raised to power 7. Okay, a is base. A is base and its other name is radicand. Radicand. Okay, now when you will write here a under root n, its index is n, so a is rational number, and under root n, a is irrational. Now you can say that is known as surd term. So its type is, when you will write just single term under root 2, you can say that comma under root 3 having one term, so that is known as a monomial. Okay, when you will write here two terms under root 2 plus 4 or under root 4, that is known as a binomial. Now when you will write here three terms like under root 2 minus under root 4 plus under root 3, there are three terms, so that is known as a trinomial. Next we will start exercise 4.4, question number 5. Now x is given here, x equals to 2 plus under root 3. Find the value of x minus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x whole square. Now x is given here, first of all you have to find 1 by x. 1 by x means 1 by, put the value of x. So 1 by 2 plus under root 3. Now check that in denominator there is surd term. Surd term means the denominator which is having under root. So first of all you have to rationalize this. The purpose of rationalization is that you have to remove under root, you have to remove surd term from the denominator. Rationalization का basically जो purpose है वो यही है कि आप denominator में से under root term को remove कर दें. Now take the conjugate of denominator. 2 plus under root 3, its conjugate is 2 minus under root 3. You have to change the middle sign. Now conjugate 2 minus under root 3 divided by 2 minus 3 under root 3, multiply by this. You have to multiply conjugate. Now 2 minus under root 3 multiply by 1, so plus, and one time plus, second time minus. You have to written in separate whole square. 2 whole square minus under root 3 whole square. 2 square is 4 and square cancel with under root, so 4 minus 3 equals to 1, so its answer is 2 minus under root 3. That is the answer of 1 by x. Now you have to find 1 by x. Now x minus 1 by x. Now you have to write x minus 1 by x. Write the value of x, 2 plus under root 3, minus as it is. Write the value of 1 by x, 2 minus under root 3. Now observe that outside is minus, then inside sign will be changed. Minus becomes plus. So minus 2 cancel with plus 2. Now left term is under root 3. Its coefficient is 1 and its coefficient is also 1. So you have to write 2 under root 3. Now first part you have to complete. Now second part, x minus 1 by x whole square. Now you have to taking whole square of x minus 1 by whole. Now its answer is 2 under root 3 whole square. The square of 2 is 4 and square cancel with under root, so 4 3 the 12, so its answer equals to 12. Now we will do the second part of question number 5. Now let's see, x is given under root 5 minus under root 2 divided by under root 5 plus under root 2. X is given in fraction form. Now you have to take 1 by x. You have to take the reciprocal of fraction term, then it will become 1 by x. Now reciprocal means numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So you have to find 1 by x. Now first of all you have to find x plus 1 by x. Put the value of x and put the value of 1 by x. Now you have to add. You have to take the LCM. Its LCM is under root 5 plus under root 2 and under root 5 minus under root 2. Now its same term will be cancelled here. Now left term is minus term, multiply by numerator. You can write in whole square. Now under root 5 minus under root 2 cancel with that term. Now remaining term is under root 5 plus under root 2 multiply by the numerator and write in whole square. Now you have to apply here the formula of whole square. A minus b whole square, then a plus b whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b whole square. Now same formula you have to apply here but in the form of plus. Now after simplification you have to get this term. Now minus 2 under root 10 cancel with plus 2 under root 10. Now remaining terms you have to add. It becomes 14 by 3. Now it means you have to find x plus 1 by x equals to 14 by 3. Now you have to find x plus 1 by x whole square. So taking square on both sides. Now 14 by 3 whole square, applying the formula of a plus b whole square and take the square of 14 by 3, 196 by 9. Now so x cancel with x, 2 shift on other side, it become minus. So 2 is just alone. So its denominator is missing here. So consider its denominator equals to 1. Now 9 comes in the table of 1 how many times? 9 times. So 9 multiplied by 2. No. So 9 multiplied by 1 equals to 9. So 9 comes in the table of 9 one time. 1 multiplied by 196. Now after simplification you have to get the answer of x square plus 1 by x square equals to 178 by 9. Now you have to find the cube. So you have to take the cube of x plus 1 by x equals to 14 by 3. This is the basic equation. Now you have to take in cube on both sides. Now applying here cube formula, a cube plus 3ab into a plus b whole cube. Now x cancel with x. So put the value of x plus 1 by x. 14 by 3. 3 cancel with 3. Now 14 shift to other side. Now you have to take LCM. So 278, 2744 minus this. So you have to get its answer is 2366 divided by 27. That is the answer of x cube plus 1 by x cube. Now you have to do the practice of exercise 4.3 and 4.4. Remaining parts are homework. Allah Hafiz.